Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign in or log into your Tonhub account. So let's go ahead and start the video. Before you sign in, you must have your Tonhub account. And what you will need to be doing is writing down your backup key. So if you don't have your backup key, you cannot sign into your account. You can just go ahead and create yourself a new account. But if you want to sign into your same account, you should know your backup key. So go ahead and click on I have one and click on this box. After you do so, click continue. Now, what you need to do is write down the backup key one by one. So this process is a quite long process, so you can just go ahead and write it. So make sure that you have saved your backup key somewhere, because without it you cannot sign into your account. So this backup key must be written all in the same order. One wrong key or one wrong keyword can make this process go longer and you cannot sign into your account. So do this and you can easily sign in. Make sure you gather the code and you write down the key in the order. So if you're wondering how you can save the key, you can just click the key or the keywords in order with your phone. So if you have another handheld device, you can just click the photo when you are logging in, because you cannot screenshot in this app. So make sure this is in order. Go ahead and write down the 24 keys in order and you can log into it. So after you're done, just go ahead and click on continue, and now write down the 4-digit PIN which you created and write it down once again just for confirmation. And after that, you can click on enable biometrics, write down or keep your fingerprint, and there you go. This is how you can sign in to your VIN mode, or this is how you can sign in to your Tonhub ID. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.